welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making coconut macaroon cookies. So let's get started. In a bowl you need 2 large egg whites. We're going to beat those till they're soft peaks. Alright, so in this bowl you're going to need 14 ounces of sweetened coconut. And you're going to need 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. I just got to let those to the soft peaks, and then we're going to add vanilla and salt. Alright, we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let me get my glasses so I can see. Alright. Alright, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add that to your egg whites. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And add that to your egg whites. Okay, just mix this a little bit so it's mixed in. We still want soft peaks. Okay, one more whirl around and then we're going to add everything. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to add in our sweetened condensed milk. You're going to want your oven set at 325 degrees for these. Alright. Just reading what I need to do next.
New recipe.
Okay, we're going to mix this a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to add my egg whites and vanilla and salt. We're just going to fold it in. Gently fold. Over and under, over and under. And you just want to make sure all the egg whites and everything is incorporated nicely. I think I'm going to get my hand in there and kind of mix it together really good. Just gently though, don't break up those egg whites too much. Just want to make sure everything's coated. It feels really nice, you guys. Just kind of floating it around in there. I'm not really stirring. I'm not smushing it with my hands at all. We don't want to break down those egg whites. Okay. Alright, let me wash my hands. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use a cookie scoop and we're going to put these out on either parchment paper or a Silpad. And you can use a 1-inch cookie scoop. I'm using a little bit smaller just because I want them to be smaller for my cookie trays. So just kind of make a ball like that and then kind of just push it into your hands so that it stays together. That's it. So when I'm done with this, we'll put them into the oven. Alright, so here's our finished cookies. See, they're nicely browned on the bottom and they have a little bit of brown on the top. That's what you're looking for, alright? So try these out and let me know how you like them. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.